Hi, I've created a bandaging workshop for small animal practices, and the workshop is on YouTube. It's a series of small, short videos on specific topics on bandaging. It is not a wound management talk, but it's more of an orthopedic bandage and splinting workshop. I created it more for myself, not because veterinarians have been asking me to do this. As a matter of fact, nobody's ever asked me to do a bandaging workshop. But I see so many problems in our practice with bandages that have been applied in some of the small animal practices. And also when I speak to veterinarians and suggest a certain bandage, sometimes they kind of get, I'm going to say frustrated, because they find bandaging can be frustrating and owners aren't compliant and the bandage slip off, or, they're splinting a fracture and it's not healing. Well, I have found that if the bandage and the splint are properly applied and that they are able to do their job, that means you need to have the right layers in the right order, and you need to have the appropriate thickness and the appropriate tension. And no, stirrups do not hold on a bandage. That is not their job for an orthopedic problem. If the stirrup is holding on the bandage isn't doing its job. Okay, got that out of my system. Thanks for letting me do that. So please watch my YouTube videos. It's free. Go to YouTube, get your technicians to go to YouTube. There's a lot of information there that I'm hoping will help you be more successful at bandaging and be more comfortable with using bandages, and therefore use them more often in your practice. Thank you.